Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in my bathroom and I'm going to be cleaning my shower. I am in a motivational collaboration, cleaning motivation, and it's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Soniadownsouth, and maybe a few other ladies, and I'm not sure at the moment who they are. But when you finish watching my channel, please go over to their channel and watch them clean and motivate you on how they clean their homes in different areas. So I'm going to be, first of all, showing you the chemicals that I use to clean this bathroom. And there's days when I do big general total cleaning, and there's days when I just do this minor touch-ups. So today, this is what I'm going to do, the general cleaning, and I want you to see how I clean my shower. And I hope that you enjoyed watching it. Okay, I wanted to share with you some of the items that I use to clean my shower today, what I'm going to be using today, and some other times what I use. But first of all, I want to share this with you. I learned this from just cleaning hack, and they said use this on your towel, on your grout, on your floors in your bathroom area. And I did that, and believe it or not, the grout came back to its normal color. Had to do a little scrubbing with it, but I let it set for a while, and after I finished, I scrubbed it and it came back to the original color. Now today I'm trying it in my shower because there's grout in my shower and it's starting to turn colors and it's starting to look really bad. So I set some of this down on the grout earlier today and let it set, and I'm going to scrub it up on this video. But this is just something you put in your toilet. But I heard that it did well with grout, and it did on your grout, on my floor in my bathroom. So let's hope it does the same on the floor in my shower area. But this is one thing I use today. And here is something else I'm using in the shower. I hope I'm not mixing too many chemicals, but because I think this is really good. It's a limonade, and it's for scum. It's for calcium, rust, and lime that's in your shower. And I'm gonna spray just a little of this to see if I can get most of the soap scum off that's on the walls of the shower. So from soap just dripping down the wall. So I'm gonna put some of this on. And here are the two things I use on a daily basis. I clean my shower daily with this, and this is Awesome Bag Cleaner. And if I'm not using this one, then I usually do the scrubbing bubbles and just to clean it once I take a shower, just to keep it clean. So I just wanted to show you these are the things I use daily. The other two I use it as a total cleaner, and I don't use those daily. And I use this brush to scrub. I use this to clean the glass. So after I clean the glass, to keep from having water marks on it, I just wipe it down and use paper towels to clean it so they be even without water marks. And yes, I have the paper towels and I have a cleaning rag. So I'm going to get started in the shower with first spraying some of this stuff on the walls and then going on. I have a ladder here, so if you see me climbing, you may not see the bottom of the ladder, but that's where I'm climbing up there to be able to clean the top portion first and work my way down to the bottom. Okay guys, before we get started, I just wanted to share this with you. I went out today and I purchased this Waterpik, which is a shower head, and it's a 2-in-1 shower system. And it's supposed to be very good for you for taking showers. It will help you with your neck pain or back pain. And it's supposed to have three ways to use it. And it's power pulse therapeutic system massage. And it's supposed to be, you're able to help you with your back pain or neck pain. So I just bought it, and my husband is changing it out from the old shower head to this new one. Okay, guys, I want you to see how the new Waterpik system, which is my new shower head, has such strong force. I see it's a massager, just like they said, because the water is coming out really hard, and I guess it will massage your back and your neck
or even when you're washing your hair, it's going to really rinse it really well. So it's a strong shower head. I'm cleaning the glass doors with some awesome shower spray. And after I clean them and rinse them, I'm going to put some glass cleaner on it just to get rid of any smears or any to make it shine a little better. Okay, guys, and here's my clean shower. And I just wanted you to know that, yes, that Lysol toilet bowl cleaner does really work on grout. It has helped a lot with this shower. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me hear from you in the comment section. And may God bless you, and may God keep you. And don't forget to go over to the other ladies' channel and watch their videos as they clean a room in their house.